Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Collar Creatures. Today we're going to be installing our patch panels and shaping some cab corners, and we'll kind of walk you through the steps of what we're thinking, so enjoy the show. So right here you can see I've got the piece cut out. I'm cleaning the metal, and I'm going to go ahead and mark which side's the top and where it needs to sit on the car. Up next is running it through the English wheel to provide it with just a little bit of a shape and curve. And right here you can see I've marked the lines where I don't want to exceed with the wheel.
As everyone knows, it's important to sit and look at your piece once you make it. Make sure you like it, so we sit back and stare at it. Right here is showing the body line that we put in the new cow patch on the bottom. We put a break on the bottom so that we could use a shrinker, get a good curve on the piece, and still keep the body line consistent throughout. Here we are test fitting the new shape on the cow. It's matching up nicely with the curve of it. The body line stayed nice and straight and consistent. Had to do a little pie cut, keep a crease out of the metal, and we'll weld it back up and get the new patch on.
Alright guys, we're back at it. It's pretty cold today, but we just finished shaping up the passenger side of the rear of the cab corner. And we used the shrinker stretcher to kind of complement the curve, give it just a little bit of a hump. And so anyway, we're going to be working on the passenger side. And so today what I'd like to do is, since the bead rolled lines are already on that side, we're just going to go ahead and attempt to measure and go along this line, and you'll see here in a minute of how we're gonna get the bead rolled edge. So enjoy. Okay guys, so next up on the list is we have to match the curve of the roll pan. As you can see, I've got it pretty close. There's still some trimming left to do. We're getting the shape. We've already got the bead roll line mostly figured out. This could be a scrap piece, but hey, we're learning. So yeah. Up next, we're going to use the shrinker stretcher. We've got our cab corner, and I need to get more of a curve to match the roll pan. And to do that, use a combination of the English wheel and the shrinker stretcher. We've got it pretty close, as you just saw, and we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get more of a curve. So here we go. All right guys, as you can see, we've got a little bit of curve on our cab corner, and when we used the shrinker, it bowed in a little bit, which is exactly what we wanted it to do. Go slow, that'd be my recommendation. So up next, we're gonna see how this fits next to our roll pan. All right, so as you can see, it's shaping up pretty good. I'm hoping that when we bead roll this gap that's up top, which is pretty consistent with this rear part of the car, I'm hoping that it sinks right in. So next exciting but nervous step. Okay, up next, I'd like to get just a little bit more shape into my cab corner. And as you can see, I just kind of like it to bow up a little bit more in the middle. So we're just going to use light pressure on the wheel, and we're just going to go slow, continually check to see how it matches up with the cab corner. And I think it's going to turn out all right. Okay, here's our bead rolled lines. We're gonna see if we're gonna be able to use this piece, because you never know, every day is a school day. So this could be scrap, this could be practice, this could work the first time. So, but hey, doesn't it look cool? All right guys, this is mostly the final piece. We'll either have to bend this bottom over, which I'm not too sure how I'm gonna do that, but yeah, other than that, it's lining up pretty good. Just a little bit more trimming on this side. I won't bother to show you guys that just because it's kind of boring and monotonous. So yeah, it's pretty well massaged. I think it's ready, just about to go in the car, and we have about a few more steps to do. So forward progress is better than no progress. So I hope you guys enjoyed the show, and stay tuned for part 2 when we wrap up the rest of the body line. And I think after that, it's on to welding the floors in. Ooh, big step. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you liked our episode, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.